Understanding Divine Intervention. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're exploring a thought-provoking phrase that appears across literature, movies, and everyday conversations: divine intervention. This term carries profound meanings and stories behind it, and by the end of this video, you'll not only understand what it signifies but also be able to use it confidently in your own dialogues. So, let's embark on this journey together. Divine intervention refers to a miraculous event or occurrence where a deity, or a divine force, directly intervenes in the human world. This intervention can alter the natural course of events, often leading to outcomes that seem impossible by human efforts alone. The term divine suggests a higher power or godly presence, while intervention implies stepping in or interfering in a situation. To better grasp this concept, let's look at some examples. In religious texts, such as the Bible or the Quran, there are numerous instances where God intervenes to guide, protect, or test the faith of individuals or groups. In literature and movies, characters might receive divine assistance during critical moments, saving them from dire situations or helping them achieve their seemingly unreachable goals. You can use divine intervention in various contexts to express the idea of miraculous aid or unexpected help from a higher power. For example, I thought I was going to miss my flight, but thanks to divine intervention, the plane was delayed, and I made it just in time. It was nothing short of divine intervention that they found the lost child in the vast forest. While divine intervention is a powerful concept, it's important to be mindful of different beliefs and perspectives. This phrase is deeply rooted in religious and spiritual contexts, so when using it, ensure that it's appropriate for your audience and the situation to avoid misunderstanding or offense. We hope this exploration of divine intervention has illuminated its significance and how you can incorporate it into your conversations and understanding of English phrases. Remember, language is not just about words but the stories and meanings they convey. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to bringing you more insights into the beautiful world of English language learning. Stay curious, and see you in the next video.